Good morning, Ducky. Another busy day.
Quack! Quack! Such a beautiful morning, Ducky.
Oh no! A tree!
This is a big one, Ducky. How will anyone pass?
I know just what to do. Woohoo! Come on, Ducky. We need the big help.
Come on, Ducky. If we want to clear that road, we need the tractor fast.
Easy now. Almost there. Onward! Onward! To the rescue! Must be just right. Almost. Just a little more. So heavy! But I won't stop! All right, Max. Think. New plan. Yes! It's moving! Hooray! Woohoo!
Woo! Road clear! Mission accomplished!
Woo! Always good to help the road. Home, Ducky. Time for a rest. Much better now, Ducky. Good job, team. Chirp, chirp. Good morning, Ducky. Time for Spud Patrol.
Eek! Look, Ducky, a big one!
Chirp, chirp, chirp.
Quack! Quack!
Woo! Almost there, Ducky. So much to do. Chirp! Look at our beautiful spuds, Ducky. All safe and sound.
A little snack for me.
Rusty, give that back!
Huh? Chirp? Where did that potato go? Did it roll away?
Eek! What was that? I saw something. Someone's playing tricks.
Catch this one, little farmer. Oh, you think this is a game? You've picked the wrong farmer. A throwing game, is it? Two can play that game. Chirp! Quack! Quack! Ha! You missed, little farmer. Try harder. Can't catch me. Potato shower. Chirp, chirp. Come on down. Let's share this one. No more throwing. Woohoo! Nope. Last one, farmer. Chirp, chirp. Wait, I know. A potato game for you. What's the little farmer doing now? New game?
Chirp, chirp. Your turn, big thrower. Hit this one.
Bullseye, farmer.
Chirp, chirp.
Wow, good shot.
Aim for the middle, Rusty. Bigger pile. Watch this, farmer. Much faster with a throwing partner.
And much more fun, little farmer.